Oh yeah, that crawl space. So here it is. It's a special one because I already changed the filter, but yeah, some ductwork that came loose. Get in here. So one of these ducts came loose all the way down. I'm gonna tie it back up with some zip ties. On back in this, all the way down there. There's the unit. It's a maintenance call, so thankfully I don't have to do no service. Still haven't did a service with a crawl space yet. That's pretty good. And down there, it's starting to get dark. Just turned the unit on. Yep, unit just turned on. Get some light. Alright, there we go. Grab my straps. Let's get down there. He offered me some knee pads. That's the first time somebody offered me knee pads for their crawl space. First I thought he offered me it because it was just that small, but it ain't that bad. Crawl spaces ain't nothing really. So this is the ductwork that's hanging off right there. I'm trying to get farther down. Yeah. So yeah, so this is the ductwork hanging off. Seems like it slipped on and off. So yeah, so I'm gonna just put that there, put it back. I'll see you guys afterwards. And ta-da, we done. I don't have no straps to cut it, but I tied it on the inside and I tied it on the outside. I tied the outside twice. But I tied it down the inside, a little ring. I just don't got nothing to cut that with because I just never had. So now I'm gonna get back all the way down there outside. And hopefully my knees don't break. Around. Don't know what that is. The unit, I already checked that earlier. Probably almost hit my head on something. Move back. And yeah, almost up. Do a little sit on. One more thing to get under. Now here's the rough part, getting out the door. Get out the door be so tough, man. It's killing my knees. Cause it's just like, how do you get out without hitting your back? Let's try. Back up. Okay, don't know how he did that. He was open when I got here, so we're gonna just leave that open. On to the next. At another crawl space. Alright, got the filter on that one. Didn't get wet. Oh no, it's good. Another crawl space. Oh, that one doesn't look so bad. Like I said, alright, got the filter. Throw some light down there. Where could it be? Guessing down there. Yeah, I'm guessing down there. Let's go. Wow, this guy's definitely on. Is there a light switch? No light switch. Let's see if I can clamp this on the phone. We came out here last week to work on his zone board. But I don't remember if we changed his filter that day. He signed up for maintenance. But I really can't remember if we already changed the filter. So I'm gonna just bring it just in case. Oh wow. Tough one. There we go. Someone tells me we did change it because it looks like one of ours. Look at it. Oh, no. That looks pretty worn out. There's no way that's from last week. Let me grab the other one. Should I put it in there correctly? Airflow going that way, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put this bad boy in there. In case it wants to go. Usually you're supposed to turn the unit off, but I'm good on that. Throw that bad boy back in it. That's the zone board we worked on. But yeah, so I'm gonna just go around and check everything. Make sure everything is working pretty good. There we're all finished. So, put the head back. I just look at the ductwork on my way back, but yeah, we good with that. Nice and easy to get to the door. Just gotta move all the way down there. And boom, right next to the door. Throw that out. And we're out. See you at the next. Crawl space. Oh, buddy. Not this one. This one's gonna be tough. Got the light switch on already. Got the board right here. We gotta get all the way down there. Now, with this crawl space, difference is there's no tarp. There's no tarp anywhere down here. Straight dirt, which means straight dirt and rocks. Which basically means tore up knees. What I can basically do, a technique I learned, just take a piece of cardboard and then just use that, move around it. You know, kind of like this technique. One knee up, one knee on it, other leg out. If you got enough room. Ooh, drop my light, kind of need that over there. But yeah, that's kind of technique. Just, you know, in here crawling. That's the filter. It's wrapped up, so we good. I'm trying to find out how the heck do you get over there? I guess you have to go underneath. Just dirt everywhere. Look underneath this. So, system right there. So I see everything. I just gotta get underneath this beam. Everything is right there. Just this fucking beam is in my way. And that's not really a easy squeeze through. Oh snap. I'm probably to get on my stomach. Dang, I did not want to get my shirt dirty today. But I do have a suit in the car, but I just don't feel like putting that suit on. So it's rather get dirty or crawl my butt all the way back out, which I don't want to do. Look guys, we're gonna just say forget it. Let's get dirty today, man. Yeah. Boom. So we in here. Here's the system. It looks like there's water coming off of it. Which means I have to clog somewhere. Let me check. Check to see me. Oh, can't do it with one hand. But yeah, check check everything. Let me just get this filter out the way at least first. There's a filter right there. Yeah, so I'm trying to work on this. I'll be right back with you when I get finished. Alright, I finished everything up. Looked at the drain and it looks pretty clean, but I'm still drain sucker out down there. It's a lot of condensation coming out of it, which I don't like at all. So I'm gonna go out there and check. His lines were swaying also, so it could be a lot of things could be going on with this system. I'm gonna go ahead and head out and check. I heard something moving back there, but I couldn't see anything, so I wasn't really worried about it. But I've been out here too long, and I'm kind of getting creeped out. Is that a spider? That's a big spider. So yeah, I'm getting creeped out, and I'm kind of tired of getting beat in the dirt. Throw the old filter down there. The old thing. And I gotta get underneath this beam again. I'm already got some dirt on me, but what's a little bit more gonna do? If I can record myself getting out this. So I'm underneath this beam. I gotta get underneath. Go. Oh, we good. Head on out. Door right there. Throw that down there. Another box. We don't leave anything. Just push on up. Filter wasn't that dirty. Let's get it out of here. And you're out. And look at the pants. Pretty dirty, but yeah. Crawl space down. Plenty more to go. Look at that spider. Oh my god, that's a big one. Plenty more to go. I'll catch you guys at the next